Hello there and welcome to the weekend weather. Now it is that weekend where the clocks go back so you get 1 extra hour of sleep, but the price you pay are 6 months of darker nights. You win some, you lose some. Meanwhile, as far as the weather's concerned, there are some guests who just don't know when to say goodbye. Storm Benjamin went over us with very little impact, but it moved away into the North Sea and then it came back again. So last night we saw rain over parts of eastern Scotland, eastern counties of England, and this morning East Anglia and the southeast. Much of that should now have gone and we'll see clearer, brighter skies. In fact, the sun has got its hat on. But then again, so should you, because this is Arctic air. We're looking at top temperatures of 10 or 11 degrees Celsius, and to go with that, a very brisk northerly wind. So you do want to wrap up warm if you're going outside. And we maintain some showers along eastern coasts, yes, and also along these western coasts. We're going to see an area of low pressure starting to make its way into Scotland. Now, this is actually good news because if we maintain that situation where we've got high pressure to the west, low pressure to the east, that pushes that northerly flow. But this low pressure system will change the wind direction northwesterly, eventually to westerly, and bring slightly milder conditions. Unfortunately for Sunday, it's also going to bring cloud and rain. So as we go through Sunday, that rain pushes its way into Scotland, into Northern Ireland, Wales, the southwest, and ahead of it becoming very cloudy. So again, it's not going to be a warm day, temperatures around 12 or 13 degrees Celsius at best. The rain clears through Sunday night and into the North Sea, and then we start to see these brighter skies. So for much of England and Wales, it's going to be a fine day, even though temperatures only around 13 or 14 degrees Celsius. Now it is going to be a changeable week. Here's the next lot of rain starting to make its way in. And through the course of the week, we will see showers or longer spells of rain, temperatures around 13 or 14 degrees Celsius. But since it'll be dark at 5 o'clock, will you really notice?